Okay, this is a phone. I'm come to replace the LCD. The first thing you have to do, you have to put a heat machine. At least you can give this back cover so you can open it. If you don't have the heat machine at home, just try to open it because this one is a rubber. You don't need to scare it. Okay, just put the tools inside like this. Okay, open it first. Open it right round. Just open it right round. Okay, when it comes to the on but you have to be careful. Okay, for the clip, the fingerprint cable, you don't spoil it. Okay, and is this camera on top? This camera cover. You have a clip, raise it up. Okay, take out the back. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw back of the phone. So many screw, make sure you remove all the screw. Don't leave any screw. Make sure you take out all the screw. Make sure you take out all the screw on the phone, okay? Don't leave any screw. After you take out all the screw, just leave this one screw on the speaker here, okay? Then remove the SIM tray. Okay, then you open the phone right now. Be careful for the fingerprint. When you open the cover, don't open the cover full, okay? So you can disconnect the fingerprint cable. Just open it halfway. Then hold it like this. Slide it a bit. Disconnect the fingerprint cable from here. Okay, put it one side. Disconnect the battery. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. Remove this plastic first, this transparent plastic on top. Just open it a bit. Open it like this. Okay, then you hold the green one and pull it. Hold the green one, just pull it slowly. Take out the battery. Okay. And remove this plastic. Okay, take out this one. Okay. If you have this machine at home, just use it. If you don't have this machine, just force to open it because you don't need this LCD anymore, okay? When you hit it, it make more easy for it to open. If you don't have the heater, just force to open it because you don't need this LCD anymore, okay? Take out the LCD. Okay, when you take out the LCD, don't forget to remove this cover on top here to cover the speaker side so the speaker will not become dirty. Remove it, put it one side. Okay, then I need to clean all the glue right around the phone. Make sure you clean the glue very nice so the new glue can rest properly. Okay, make sure you clean it very nice right around. After I clean the glue right around, before you put the new glue and fix the LCD, okay, make sure you put the LCD first, test it, make sure the LCD is okay, because sometimes even the new LCD is not good. Make sure you test it, LCD is, everything is okay, it's good before you put the glue, okay? Now you fix this cover on top here. Put a bit of glue there. On this side. Okay, you fix this one first. Make sure you fix it exactly how you take it. Just follow the line, the timing, how it look like. So it will be easy for you to fix. Just put it inside like that, very nice. Okay, now you put the glue right around the phone, very nice, at the edge. Just put it at the corner there, very nice. Don't put it on the front camera, okay? Just put close to the front camera like this. Don't put it on the sensor also, just put close to the sensor like this so it will not malfunction. Okay, then now you put the glue right around, very nice, at the edge of the phone. Put it right around. After I put the glue right around, okay, if you put the screen, remove the sticker on top there, front camera, so the front camera become more clean. I remove this also. Do it slowly. Just remove only the plastic and leave the black one there. Okay, this connector you pass it here. Make sure you pass the connector inside here and put the LCD very straight, don't bend it. Okay, make sure you rest properly. Make sure you watch the camera, the timing is there, you can see the camera very nice. Okay. Then you fix the connector. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Don't force to press it in without the right position. When you have the right position, you press it, you feel the LCD already rest. Okay, Okay, remove this plastic. Put it very nice like this so the battery will rest properly. Okay, then fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down so you don't lose the position. Okay, let's take this plastic up. Make sure the plastic is up. Okay, make sure all the plastic is up properly. Very nice. Okay, don't forget to put back the cover. Make sure you fix the fingerprint cable first before you put the cover. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Okay, and you put the cover now very nice like this. Make sure the button is inside well, because sometimes the button will come out when you fix the fingerprint cable. So make sure you go inside properly before you put it inside. Don't force to put it inside, you don't spoil the fingerprint cable. Okay, close it right round. Close it very nice. Okay, replace all the screw back you take out. So many screw. Make sure you replace all the screw. Okay, don't leave any screw. Make sure you replace all the screw you take out. Okay, after you replace all the screw right around the phone, okay, now you put the glue right around. Okay, just put it very nice. Don't put on top of the screw. Okay, just put at the edge of the screw. Put it very nice, put at the edge of the phone, very nice, right round. Okay, after I put the glue right round, okay, you put the cover very straight. Don't bend it. Okay, then make sure you squeeze the camera side so the camera side will rest properly. Hear the sound, so it rests properly inside. Very nice. Okay, don't forget to put back the SIM tray. Okay, if you have a rubber light, you can use it for 30 minutes so your glue become dry. If you don't have the rubber light, you can still use a selective. Just tape it for 30 minutes so your glue become dry before you take it out. Okay, put down here also. Put it up here also. Okay, don't worry about the glue. After the screen is dry for 30 minutes, you can use your finger, just clean the glue at the side. Okay, remove the plastic. The screen is very good, very clean. Okay, on the phone to test the LCD. As you can see, the logo already show. That means LCD is nice, everything is good. That means it's okay.
Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.